Question 45 wants us to convert tablespoons to liters. Now, we've already done the reverse, liters to tablespoons, on question 43. So we know that there's not a direct conversion. We're going to have to use the tablespoons to milliliters. So we're going to use that in a fraction first, and then we're going to get the answer in milliliters. And then we're going to have to move the decimal place to convert that to liters. So 4 tablespoons times 15 mLs over 1 tablespoon. So the tablespoons cancel out. 4 times 15 divided by 1, and we get 60 ml. But again, our final answer needs to be in liters. So to convert from mLs to liters, we need to move 3 places to the left. So 1, 2, 3. So 0.060 liters. For 46, we are converting from liters to teaspoons. And in a similar way, we do not have a direct conversion on this chart from liters to teaspoons. But we do have a conversion from teaspoons to mLs. So I'm going to first convert my liters to mLs. So that is 3 places to the right. And then I'm going to use the dimensional analysis. $14,000 times 1 divided by 5, and we get 2,800 teaspoons.